Dear brothers and sisters, the possessed man, the evil spirit, confronted Jesus with the words, "Have you come to destroy us? Naparito ka ba para puksain kami?" And it is clear that for the evil spirit, destruction for him would mean a total wreck of everything, a total destruction of him. Ang masira siya, ang matalo siya, ang mawala siya sa kapangyarihan ng taong ito at marahil sa kapangyarihan sa buong mundo. A total destruction of His presence. And we do believe that it is clear then for Jesus that He was there to really destroy him, to take him off from that person, for evil to be out of the seed. Since then, my dear brothers and sisters, He would need to destroy evil so that this person, this man, can begin again. We may have no other accounts to say or to tell what happened to the man after he was freed. But definitely, when God would destroy, when Jesus would destroy, a new beginning, greater ones, better ones are ahead of him. And this is the invitation as well of St. Paul to the Thessalonians, that God did not destine us for wrath, but to gain salvation through our Lord Jesus Christ. Kinakailangang mapuksa tayo, mawala tayo, mayanig tayo, para may bagong kinabukasan at magandang kahaharapan tayong yakapin. And this we would need to embrace and remind ourselves, my dear brothers and sisters. God may need to destroy our anger so that later on we can be gentle and kind. The Lord may need to destroy our impurity deep within us so that we can embrace a life of purity. Marahil kinakailangan ng Diyos mayanig at mapuksa ang ating pagkamakasarili, ang ating pagkasakim, so that later on we can be generous. And maybe in the general form of our life, we would need to be destroyed of our evil, of something that is bad in us, so that light, so that new life can be there for us. We let God destroy us. We let God destroy so that He can build better ones and greater ones for us. Destruction would mean, yes, a total wreck of everything. But for the Lord, when He destroys, better ones and greater ones will always be ahead of us.